Okay, this is Andy and Claudia. You guys will be at the gate. And make sure that the cows don't cross over. Okay? Andy and Claudia, and then Tyler and Carrie. If you guys will be at the gate, ready to go, it'll
I was wondering why it was so dark.
This team is working with one head. Flags up. One.
Right in the middle,
One.
coming to the left. Go right to his butt. Go right to his butt. Yeah! 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 Slow down, slow down. Get on his butt now. Push on his butt. Push on his butt. Push on his butt. Go around me. Yeah! 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 Give me a 2 right there on the left. Right there on the left. Nice and easy. Turn him around. There you go. Yeah! Get out of here. Yeah! 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 Get out of here! Yeah! Whoa!
No time. Okay, Tyler and Carrie. This team's working with one head. They're going to be followed by AJ and Taylor.